Hello! Today we're going to be playing a game that I made from scratch. It's called Be a Vending Machine. We have 1.0 update and a 1.1 update. Let's play it. But first, let me do this. Alright. Let's play the 1.1 first. Basically, you gotta put this at a point and just like a shop here. I don't really know anything else. Just here. Oh, good. They bought food. But the best way to win is just to get your energy always at 10. Energy is always at 10. And the health, you stay like that. And the health goes crazy up. Also, if you remix one of my this project and then make a new person that I can use, I'll give you a shout out. And also a robber. That's literally the 1.0. The robber is in the 1.0. Oh no. Energy's down. Good food. I probably almost never die. Since I'm literally the person who made this game. I'll put it in the codes. Here we have, this is the code for the first parts. And these ones are empty. The person has a long code actually. A long code. We got Spall. We got this thing. I don't know what this thing is. And we got you dead. We got a shot. And then we got this shop thing. Register trade, and this just a sprite back. Then we got this thing. I don't know what this is. Just a ding. A ding. That's a ding. Ding. So that's really hard. Here are the instructions. You read it yourself. I don't care. And here we got, and here we can also, there's also one here too. There's also, I'll give you a shout out if you make me a personal robber. And I'll give you a double shout out if you do both. And I like it. But the first one's not that good. Let's do, then we got this one. Got this other one here. I thought this said your dad almost. I thought this almost said your dad. Alright. It's almost the same thing, but there's like robbers and there's new stuff. That's literally it. It's just +1 energy. And take sword out, put sword away, and change the swords. It's literally the only things that are like new. Just robbers. That's it. Oh. Stinky. Uh-oh, Stinky. Hey. The ball. Oh no. We got it. Robber. Take sword out. Swing. Die. Look at my health. It's going down rapidly. Don't let the person touch the sword or something. If the person touched the swords, this is what it look like it's gonna happen. But I did not say it correct the first time. And swords! He leaves. He doesn't pay for anything. And I think that's like basically it. Wait, can I just kill myself? I'm gonna kill myself. I'm gonna kill myself. You're dead. You're dead. Yeah, that's literally it of these two games. If you want to play it, just go on Scratch or something.